Hello viewers, today in this video I will talk about 5 tablets that you can buy under the price bracket of 30,000 rupees. In the price bracket of 30,000 there are many tablets that you can buy, but I will pick only 5 tablets for you. The first tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. I have made many videos on this tablet and I have discussed the pros and cons of this tablet, so if you want to watch those videos, links are in the descriptions below. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is a very good tablet. Many people actually want to buy this tablet. The normal price of this tablet is above 35,000 rupees, but during offers you can buy this tablet at around 25 to 26,000 rupees. The next tablet that is in the list is iPad 11th generation. This tablet has been launched recently at a price point of 34,999 rupees, but since launch there is offer on iPad 11th generation, so I think this is a great opportunity for you. But the price is above 30,000 rupees. You will get at around 31,000 rupees to buy this iPad 11th generation. In this tablet you will get A16 Bionic chipset and 128 GB of internal storage. For students and also for content creators, this iPad will be ideal. The next tablet in the list is Xiaomi Pad 7. This tablet has been launched under 30,000 price bracket for the 128 GB of internal storage. I think you should go for 256 GB and you can buy that tablet under 30,000 rupees. That tablet has all the features that actually needed for students and also for content creators. The processor used in Mi Pad 7 is Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, so decent processor I would say considering the price point. Now you have to decide whether you want to go with iPad, Samsung tablets or Mi tablets. The next tablet in the list is Lenovo Idea Tab Pro with Pen Plus. It has 12.7 inches 3K display. It comes with 144 Hz of refresh rate with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. The processor used in this tablet is MediaTek Dimensity 8300. I think it is a very good processor, and you will get JBL speakers, and also battery will be very good, 10,000 plus mAh with 45 watt of charger inside the box. The next tablet that you can buy under the price bracket of 20,000 rupees during offers is Redmi Pad Pro 5G. It comes with Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor and it is a decent tablet I would say. It has 12.1 inches LCD display with very good battery life and also turbocharger inside the box. So these are 5 tablets that actually give you best value for money propositions. Now you have to decide whether you want to go with Samsung tablets or you want to pick iPad or you should go for another tablets. The choice is yours, and if you want to know the best price of each and every tablet during offers, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.